Namaste students, welcome to our EVS class. In the previous class, we learnt about my feelings. The lesson was all about our feelings and emotions. Today, we are going to learn another lesson, that is my hobbies. The lesson describes everything about hobbies. Let's move ahead. We already know about some free time activities. Today, we will learn to describe the importance of free time activities. Hobby. Hobby means any activity done in free time. So, let us look at this chart. Yes, there are many pictures here, right? In the first picture, you can see the children swimming in water. Do you enjoy swimming? Does it help you to relax and have fun? In the second picture, you can see children reading storybooks. Are they enjoying it? Yes, they are enjoying it. In the third picture, we see children playing football. So, this hobby, okay, all these are hobbies because they are done in free time. Hobbies like playing football keep our body fit. So, the hobbies like reading storybooks help us relax or learn new things. Hobbies like swimming help us to have fun. Right? Now, let us look at this picture. We see children playing cricket. So, they are learning the game here and they are also enjoying it. Here, these people are learning dance. They are dancing. So, this hobby helps them to learn a skill. Here, we see a girl painting. By painting, we are learning a skill. So, painting is also a hobby. Let's move ahead. Let us watch this video. Any free time activity that we do is called a hobby. Some hobbies like listening to music help us to relax. Some hobbies help us to play. See, hobbies like playing guitar help us to learn a skill. Right? So, listening to music helps us to relax. Playing guitar helps us to learn a skill. Playing football keeps our body fit and healthy. And some hobbies like cooking help us to have fun. Right? What are the different things that can be done in free time? Different people do different activities in their free time. Some people sing, some dance, some read, some cook, some play football, and some play cricket. Any activity that we like to do in our free time is called a hobby. Why are these free times activities important? Why are these free time activities important? Okay, how do these hobbies help us? Let us try to understand. Some hobbies like listening to music relax our mind, while some other like playing the guitar help us to learn new skills. Some hobbies like reading a book help us to learn new things, while some others like playing games keep us fit and healthy. So, listening to music, such kind of hobbies help us to relax our mind. Playing guitar, okay, this hobby helps us to learn new skills. Cooking, and dancing and swimming bring us joy. Some hobbies like playing football and cricket keep us fit and healthy. Why is it not good to play mobile games during all the free time that we get? So nowadays we see more number of children and people using the mobile. So tell me children, is it good to play games on mobile for long hours? So let's find out. Looking at the screen of mobile phones for a long time can cause pain in our eyes and neck. Oh my God. See? Let's read it once again. Looking at the screen of mobile phones for a long time can cause pain in our eyes and neck. It may also cause a headache. So, we must not use mobile phones, play video games or watch TV for long hours. It causes harm to our health. Right? We should not do that. Okay, now let us open the workbook page number 1.4. Okay, worksheet 1.4. Open worksheet 1.4. My hobbies. Put today's date. Which of these is a hobby? Tick the correct ones. Painting? Yes, it is a hobby. Brushing? No, this is a routine activity. Singing? Yes, it is a hobby. You can tick this. Sleeping, routine activity. Now, second question, fill the table using words from the box. So, there are in this help box, there are words given. First one, watching movies, making pots, listening to music, photography. Okay. Fill the table using words from the box. So, you are going to write two words, okay, in these boxes. So, from the words that are in the help box, which ones help us to relax? B. Hobbies that help us to learn a skill. Okay. In the A box, you have to write hobbies that help us to relax. In B box, you have to write hobbies that help us to learn a skill. So, watching movies, in which box will you put it? Watching movies help us to relax. Making pots in the B box. It is learning a skill. Listening to music, you are going to write in A box, okay, because it helps us to relax. Whereas photography, you are going to write in B box because it is learning a new skill, right? So, now let us answer the practice questions that are in the content book. Practice questions. Tick the hobbies, cross the activities that are not hobbies. Okay, you are going to put a tick to the hobbies and you are going to cross which are not hobbies. Okay, playing cricket, put a tick. Wearing clothes, put a cross. Cooking, put a tick. Sleeping, put a cross. Dancing, put a tick. Okay, playing cricket is a hobby because it helps us to stay healthy. Wearing clothes is a daily activity. Cooking, yes, if we are learning cooking, that is a hobby. Sleeping, yes, it is routine activity. Dancing, tell me dancing. Dancing is a skill. Second question, write about your hobby in 50 to 80 words. How does this hobby help you? Okay, in your notebook, you write about your favorite hobby and what are you learning from this hobby, how it is helping you. You write it in points, beta. Now, third question, write any 3 bad effects of playing games on mobile phones for long hours. Okay, you write 3 sentences about the bad effects one has if they play mobile games for long hours. If you are watching mobile for long hours, then what kind of bad effects do you get? Okay, number 1, eye ache. We suffer from eye ache if we play, if we use mobile for long hours. Number 2, we have neck pain. Okay, number 3, we have backache, right? So, that's all for today. Have a good day, students. Thank you.